Okay, so things to remember, right? Places, we're going to use at. For these special places, there is no preposition in between. Okay? So, where are you?
At work.
Where are you?
At home.
Where are you?
At university.
At the college.
At college. At church.
Good. So it is incorrect to say at the church. No. Or at my home. At home. Okay? Good. Over here, when you use home, it's a very special word here. So you have to use it correctly. With home, it's just the verb and the word home, no prepositions in between. So you cannot say I arrive to my home. No. You understand? So you just say arrive plus the word, the verb plus the word home. Okay? So we say arrive, what?
Home.
Home. Get.
Home.
These two are the same, right? They're the same. It's the same thing, except that one is what? Formal? While the other is informal. Everything that has to do with the verb get is informal. Period. Okay? So here we're going to say get home. Here we're going to say what? Come home. Diphthong. Oh. Oh. Leave. Leave. Home. Good. Then you're going to give me time, right? An idea of time using at. Okay. Sam.
I arrived home at 6 p.m.
Great.
Marcia gets home at 12.
Great.
Peter comes home.
Comes.
Yeah. Peter comes home at 12.
Good.
And Louis leaves home at midnight.
Great. Good job. Lady.
I arrive home at 4.
Excellent.
Sylvia gets home at 12.
Great.
Alberto comes church at 3.
Comes home.
Comes home.
Comes home at Alberta. Again.
Alberta comes home at 12.
Good.
And I will come at 7.
Great. Now let's use an idea of time. So we're going to say at about, at around, at time sharp, at time on the dot. You remember those expressions? Yes?
Sharp.
No?
No.
Okay. So at about is to give you like a rough idea. It's not exact. So you could say I arrive home every day at about 6. Sometimes 6:20, 6:10, etc. Same thing with around, right? So I get home at around 7. Sometimes 6:55, sometimes a bit earlier, sometimes a bit later, right? But, you know, it's just around, gives you an idea. Here, when we use the expression sharp, that means exact, o'clock. So I come home at 7 sharp. 7 sharp means that I'm not 1 minute late. Not 1 minute later, not 1 minute before. Sharp. Same thing with the expression on the dot. Okay? So you could say, I leave home at 6 on the dot. Because if I leave later, I'll get caught up in traffic. Okay?
Awesome.
Awesome. Good. Let's go. Examples. Monsieur Sang. Go.
Okay. Steve arrives home at about 6 p.m.
Great.
Machiavello gets home at around 8.
Nice.
Archimedes comes home at 7 sharp.
Good.
And Pericles leave home at 8 on the dot.
Good. Pericles leaves.
Pericles. Pericles leaves home at 8 on the dot.
Great, good job, bro. Nice work. Lady?
I arrive home at 8, at about 8. Sylvia gets home at around 12.
Good.
Jefferson comes home at 7 sharp.
Nice.
And Elizabeth leaves home at 12 on the dot.
Amazing. Good job. Wow. Nice work there. Okay. So are we good with these expressions? Yeah? It just makes you sound more natural, right? Okay, good. Now let's talk about work, university, and church. Okay? Okay? So with these words, these are special places, so we're not going to use any type of preposition in between or any type of article. So it is incorrect to say at the church, at the university, because in Spanish we have to use the article, right, all the time. We have to say la universidad, la iglesia, but with these places in English, we're not going to do that. We're just going to say at university, at college, at church, and never say at my home. No, at my house. At my house. That works, but not with home. Are we good with that? Or my work, at my work. That's how we say it in Spanish. Mi trabajo. Llego a mi trabajo. No, it's just at work, no possessive adjective. No, my work. Got it? Okay, this is how you say it. This is the flow. This is the flow, the grammar. Okay? Now let's take a look at these, how to use work and these other places. So here, we are going to use a preposition. Did you see it already? We say, arrive at work, I get to work, I come to work, and with leave, what? Nothing. No preposition in between. So we're going to say it guys with me, I arrive
at work. I arrive at university. I arrive at church.
Good. And all the way over here, you're going to give me the idea of time. You can then again, yes, you can use one of these expressions or just give me the idea. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do work.
Work.
Yes.
Emerson arrives at work at around 8 a.m. Christoph gets to work at about 7.
Great.
And Elisa comes to work at 7 sharp.
Nice.
And Peter leaves work at 6 p.m. on the dot.
Nice work, bro. Nice work. Okay. Madam, lady.
You arrive at work at 12 sharp.
Good.
I get to university at about 12.
Good.
And George comes to work at 3 on the dot.
Good.
And I work at 3, around 3.
Awesome. Good work, guys. Nice work.
Great.
Good work. Wow. Wow, you guys sound so much better. And you too, Facebook, you can go ahead and practice and improve your grammar and prepositions. See you next time. Good work.